what is our station in this universe? That is Maqam. This is something which is permanent in the sense that that's who you are. That's one thing, your station in this universe. But since we are being with limited, at least limited freedom, our conceptions about what is our real station in this universe can vary. As, for example, we have seen modernist conception is different from Islamic conception, for example. Or even Muslim modernist conception is different from modernist conception and Islamic conception. So that's the station. So understanding what is the station, our real station in this universe.